Hi, I'm here, and I'm just doing fun. So it's time to guess. You guessed it, and it's very lucky. All of a sudden, is the Wi-Fi. Outbreak at the name of Isabel. Yeah. So, yeah, this game is, if you haven't heard this game upon and you haven't, okay, maybe you have, okay. Sorry for being a little, so basically it's a hurricane game, and you have to upgrade and survive and kill and damage as many people as possible. And so, but you don't want to die, so if you die, you lose. Kind of makes sense, right? I mean, it makes sense to me, so, let's do it! So, hi Puerto Rico, you're first on my death list.
What are you doing?
Hurricane outbreak?
You're not posting that.
Why? Why? You can watch.
You're not posting videos of you running hurricanes over islands and countries and stuff.
Okay, I'm just gonna go like just to strengthen, because I want this to be an Isabel scenario. So technically we go north of the islands, I'm pretty sure, right? Because Isabel's track went into North Carolina, so that's where we're going. Please tell me. Go north of the Bahamas, and then we're just gonna have a northern. Friends pulling me away. Great goodness of that counted. Well, the friends pulling me away, so that's good for them. Except that I kept 5, and I outran the front. Time to run it up. Time to make a landfall in, I think, North Carolina. And then I'll turn into an off-sea storm. So I know this is not really realistic. Hurricane Isabel did not have 205 mile per hour winds, if you can see. Now, I'm sorry for North Carolina that just got hit by Florence. Sorry, but I'm not trying to hurt your feelings or anything, just so you know. Like, this is not a video just to make you do a crime. Like, this is not a video to do this. This is just absolute fun and imagination for anyone noticing. But, no, I do not want to go into game settings. Do not ruin this game setting, because if you do, I will going to kill you. Game setting. Okay, where was I? Oh yeah, this is totally unrealistic. Why are you weakening? We're still more mortars. So, we're technically supposed to go that way. So we make landfall about here, we come out through Virginia, and then we loop around and become like a tropical storm again. But then it's still going out to sea, so I'm just going to go with what the websites say and make my storm a, yeah. But, I mean, it's not that bad. I mean, technically, hurricane in the Carolinas is, and also this thing wouldn't be a storm. Okay. that's just. I'm just gonna keep cool waters just to make this more realistic. Because honestly, it wouldn't be a Cat 1 coming out of all that land. So it probably would. So this is how it went. Kind of see. And it doesn't hit land, so. And it starts to loop, I think. Why am I weakening? I'm down to the Virginia. This is weird. Okay, so this would probably be more realistic. Storm just rolling off the sea. Because this is probably what would happen if some.
Eat your lunch, please.
So here's the thing. It would probably, Can't believe I've been recording for 6 minutes already. It's not. I mean, this is an alternate situation, and I would guarantee it wouldn't do this. No storm will probably ever do this in real life, except Florence, which had an invest, but it didn't turn into anything. It wasn't named the same. So it really doesn't, count. I'm gonna make that recharge, and it's just gonna go out to sea. I'm gonna make it die. Go out to sea. Because I'm just imagining, I'm going around a Bermuda High right now. So, another landfall, or yes or no? I need an answer. I don't think I'm making a landfall in North Carolina. If you could have warned me, I've been strengthened into a hurricane, but that wouldn't probably be in this case. I just want to turn away from New York City because alternately Isabel never came up towards New York City.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
So just saying, this would never happen.
Religion or, what part of the world you're from, that just sort of
So this is just speed up.
gives you some hope.
This is slow down. Eventually you can just pause it like this. Look at that! Okay, no. And my storm died. Okay, good.
Why did it die?
Because I was in cold water. So, leave a like if you want to come a series, even though everything, yeah, okay. Sorry for North Caroliners. Sorry for the people that live in North Carolina. I know this may make you cry, but if this will make you cry, then please don't watch it. Anyway, bye!